YouTube? It's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. I've got a couple videos that I'm going to be filming today. This one is going to be a rather simple one, just a couple minutes long in the end. So I received a package and I thought I'd share with you guys a little unboxing. So I was on, I forget which website, probably eBay, and I needed a present for a friend. So about a week ago, before some stuff hit the fan and caused some issues, I bought a couple of these, and the reason that I bought them is because the friend is actually a friend of my daughter's, but his mom is a friend of ours as well. So anyway, short of the story is that we needed a gift for Christmas for him. He had expressed an interest in some stuff, so I picked up a pair of these because they were a really good deal. But for $5 to $10, what can you expect from a gaming mouse on the internet? Well, this is what I got. So it came packaged in a shipping envelope, in a box, wrapped with bubble wrap, which is always a good thing. And then we've got a nice braided USB cord, which is always nice. They tend to be a little more durable, but they also look a little sleeker. This one's red and black. The mouse is actually a really intriguing design, and I'll include a couple of pictures, probably right about here. And the reason that I'm doing this is I want you to see how interesting this design is, but also it's got the normal buttons, everything seems to click cleanly, and the feel of it in the hand is actually really comfortable. It feels just as good as any other, but it's a really interesting design. Has some gaps in it, some metallic looking pieces. They're almost definitely plastic, but they look metallic, almost like robotics in a way. And so this little mouse is just a basic Masion X11, nothing extravagant, nothing special as far as design features. As far as I'm aware, it's not RGB, but you know, it's a gaming mouse with extra buttons. You've got side click buttons, you've got top click buttons for the regular stuff, you've got extra click buttons on the top as well. The brace for the palm sits nice at an angle. It does feel a little different than normal because it's got these gaps, but in the long run I think it's going to be a nice mouse, especially for the $5 to $10 range. So all in all, I think it was a decent purchase, and just wanted to let you guys see what something can be gotten for a low price. And brand new, can't really beat that. Again, it was somewhere in the $5 to $10 range, and yeah, so it looks like a decent mouse, good sturdy construction, decent weight to it. The buttons click nice and firmly. It's got scroll wheel with the scroll wheel button. From what I read, the regular click buttons, the scroll wheel with the click button, then it's also got a back and forward for the browser, and then it's got some additional buttons on the sides, including one that's designed just for like a firing trigger. So in the end, I'm thinking that my daughter's friend will enjoy this, and his mom will be happy to have gotten him a gift. So all in all, just a nice little purchase. Sorry about the music in the background if you can hear it. That's a part of the next video. It's for the community project that I've been working on. So stay tuned, and I'll have that posted as well. Have a good one, guys. And again, if you haven't already, subscribe and like the video if you want to keep up to date on the stuff that we get in and review and show off, and the experiences we try and help you guys with. The next one will be an interesting one. It's a part of the community project build, like I said, and I think it'll be intriguing for a lot of you guys because it'll show you how to take care of some items that you may need to maintain over time. Anyway, have a good day and happy holidays. See you guys later.